Hello, welcome to another Design and Flow video. I'm Val, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add pictures and videos to your WordPress website and how to replace pictures or videos for your WordPress website using the Elementor editor. Let's go. I'm first going to show you how to upload photos to WordPress. Keep in mind, when you're uploading photos, you want to make sure they are compressed at a smaller file size than probably the raw original one. Somewhere around 100 to 200 kilobytes is ideal. Anything over this is definitely going to cause the photo to load much slower on your website, and this can cause people to leave your website if they go on it and the load speeds are not good. So if you're unsure how to compress photos, that's a service that we offer through our webmaster services if we've made a website for you. So once you are on WordPress in your dashboard, logged into your admin panel, it'll look something like this. You'll head over to the left-hand side where it says Media. To add to this library, you would simply go up here by Media Library and hit Add New Media File. You can either drop that file in from another folder, or you can select it from your computer like so and click Open. And of course, once the image loads, it'll show up in your library. I'm also going to show you how to add photos directly in Elementor. So let's open up a page in Elementor. Once you've opened up a page in Elementor, it'll look something like this. So there's a couple different places where photos may live on your website. They may live as a photo itself here, and they may also live as a background in a section. So for example, if I wanted to change out this photo in this background section, I would click the section itself, the container itself, go to Style, and then I would see that the image lives here. If I want to change this out, I would simply hit Choose Image. I can add the files directly here, or I can view my media library. And then of course I can click a photo that I want to change, selecting it, hitting select, and it would replace it like so. One thing to note here, you can see that this photo is repeating. That is because repeat is turned on. If I wanted to get rid of that, I would simply go over here to the left and hit No Repeat. If you wanted to add a video background, right here where it says background type, there's a couple options. I could choose to make this a solid color or gradient, make it a slideshow, or I could hit the video link here. You can add a video file link here, for example, as an MP4. We recommend actually uploading your videos to YouTube, even if they are unlisted or private, and using that YouTube link for the video and embedding it. This typically allows for a quicker load speed with your videos. So that is how you would add a video. Another thing you may come across scrolling down here is just simply changing out a regular picture on your website. To do that, you would click this pink box with the pencil icon, and then under Content, you can choose out a different image. I click Choose Image, and then I can either upload a new file from my computer or go to the media library, select the other photo, hit select. And then remember, whatever changes you make, they do not automatically save. You need to make sure you head to the top right-hand corner and hit publish. So let's say instead, maybe you want to add a video in place of this image. To do that, you can't go to Choose Image. You need to add a new element into this section. To do that, you're going to head to this plus sign in the top left-hand corner, Add Elements. You then see a few options here, one of them being video. You would simply drag video above the photo you're trying to replace, and there you're prompted, just like you did with the photo, to change out the video. And it's just going to show this temporary video anytime you add this block. So I'd click the pencil icon, and once again I have the option to add the link from the source YouTube, which we recommend doing. Or you can, for example, do the video as self-hosted, and here you would go into your computer just like choosing a photo. You could use your media library if you have videos, or upload that particular video file as an MP4. Some things to note with photos. While I'm selecting this photo, if I move away from content and go to style, there are some other options here. I can change the size of my photo right here with the width. Keep in mind, because it has this desktop icon, that means for responsive modes it's only changing the size of the photo within desktop. So if I went to tablet or mobile, the photos, I would have to change the size in them separately if I wanted to do that. So that is how you add photos and videos to your website, and that is how you change or edit them. Just want to note here, sometimes with photos, maybe you want to add 2 photos. For example, you can see where we've got these 3 across. Maybe there's another team member that you're adding. Rather than going up here, you could just click image and put it in here, and it's gonna do something kind of funky. So if you want to add something, rather than just duplicating this photo, you'd want to duplicate this whole section by going to this rectangle, right clicking, and selecting duplicate. Now it's made everything a little bit smaller in order to fit the additional person in there. This is how you can add photos to your WordPress or Elementor or video, and how to replace images, video, and add new image video. This can be a little bit tricky when you go to, rather than just replacing the photo or video, wanting to add in more photo or video. This is something you struggle with. We do offer webmaster services to clients of ours that have built websites with us. So you can reach out and we can help you with changing out things like this. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video.